What's good, Victorious Gang? You already know what it is. If you're new and you like my channel, go ahead and tap that like button, hit that subscribe button, and definitely tap that notification button so you definitely know when I post. You guys, I'm reviewing an Amazon wig that was sent to me. I think y'all gonna like this video, so let's get into it.
That's ISO.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees.
Alright, you all, so I've already put on my cap. Right now what I'm waiting for is for it to lay down. So while we're waiting for that to lay down and dry, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at my wig that I have here. So they sent me a 30-inch straight wig. I believe this is 150 density. If you all know me, y'all know I like 200% density. I like my hair to be thick, but nonetheless, you go with what you get and what's sent to you. So this is what this wig looks like. I've already gone in and plugged, laid it down, put wax on it, flat ironed it a little bit, not too much. But this is what this is looking like, 100% human hair. It's really nice. I measured it. It is actually 30%. Not too shabby. I'm not gonna judge the wig before I actually put it on. It did have like a little factory smell. Not my favorite, but you know, it is what it is. And yeah, not too bad. I'm kind of excited. It's a 13x6, so y'all know that part goes way back, farther back than what I parted it to. Y'all always know that I like me a nice full 13x6. The sides are looking really good. Sometimes some companies try to play you with the side, like they're like, oh, we give you this really nice middle part, but let's say if I sometimes like a deep side part and they be playing this, but this company did it pretty good. You get a nice little deep side part if you want to as well. So I'll give them that. I will give them that. Let's go on and get into seeing what our cap is looking like. Alright, my hair babe, so I'm just ensuring that my hair is really laid down flat before I remove my headband and cut my lace off. I want to make sure that my wig cap is secure with no questions about it. Once that's trimmed away, I'm going to take an alcohol wipe and just wipe away my got-to-be glue that's left on my forehead. And once that's all wiped away, I'm going to take my Bold Hold Activewear. I'm going to place that on the hairline just to give it a more seamless look. Make it really look like a bald cap method. And I'm going to blow dry that down until it's dry. I'm going to take my foundation and my foundation powder and create a scalp look on my hair cap. So I'm using two different colors just to blend it to make it look like my scalp. And again, with another alcohol wipe to wipe away the excess stuff. So my beauties, now we gotta apply this wig on, see where it should lay, how well it fits on our forehead, before cutting it up and gluing it down. Now that my lace is cut, I'm going to go ahead and roll the hair back and again go in with my Bold Hold Activewear. I'm going to do 3 layers of this, you all. So a little bit here, a little bit there, lay it down, let it dry, clear, and put on the next layer. And I'm going to blow dry on cool air. And this is why I like my other blow dryer, because I can blow on instant cold air and I can blow on hot air. But with this one, I can't do it so much. Now that our wait time is done with laying down our lace, we're going to go ahead and get our little razor and start trimming our lace to what we wanted. So as I was like raising, I could see like where my lace needed more glue, but that's okay. Everything is going to look ugly before it looks good. So I trim and cut, and then I go back and lay down and pull out my baby hairs for perfection.
If we stay, we're complacent. Too much time to be wasted.
So let's get into cutting these edges. Honestly, they're a bit too thick. I will not lie. I did not really like the process of cutting the edges on this hair. Like, as I got to like this part of the process, I started to realize, I may not like this wig so much. I realized how on one side it was so thick, so I had to make it into a side part just to cover. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give in some kind of way. But I'm gonna try to lay it down flat with some wax and just lay it down and just go to sleep, and like I'll rethink it tomorrow, because like it just blew me as I got to this point on my hair process. The next day I went ahead and did my makeup and put my hair in some flexi rods. As you can see, some of the hair came up, so I'm going to go again with some of my glue and fill in the pieces that I might have missed, lay it down, blow it out. I also used the Bold Hold liquid gold just to apply that extra secureness on it, and make it look kind of seamless, and blow it on cold air. So I let my hair stay in these flexi rods for a good 30 minutes. I went in with a flat iron and like pre-curled and then put the flexi rods in. And now I'm just going to take them out and see how well these curls kind of like held up in the flexi rod. Thus far it's like okay. At the end I realized like this like particular hair does not hold well to like curls, and it eventually just kind of came out. So I was like, let me take the hot comb and just let it do what it do for this video. Reminder, everything about this wig will be linked in the description below. This is an Amazon wig, 150 density, 30 inches. You can get it longer or shorter. The choice is yours. For me, I would love to find this wig in like a number 4, which is a color number. Like nice little brown. I look good with a little brown hair. But nonetheless, this was pretty cute. It's okay. It's not my favorite wig in the world. This is not something I would probably wear for weeks on end. This may be like a little like night out, or maybe like a day out. But yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and like. See ya.